Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make organic extreme whitening cream. So let's dive into it. So I've measured out all my emulsifiers. Here is my BEESWAX 30 gram. And then my BEESWAX 15 gram. And my CETYL alcohol 15 gram. I'll be pouring everything inside my mixing jug. Pour in my BEESWAX, and CETYL alcohol. And now my shea butter 15 gram. Add in my sunflower oil 15 ml. And my carrot oil 15 ml. Whitening glycerin 15 ml. Jojoba oil 10 ml. Rosehip oil 10 ml. Turmeric oil 10 ml. Sandalwood oil 15 ml. All my oils are in. I'll be doing double boiling method. And I've measured out my distilled water, 185 ml. I'll be doing the double boiling method too. Now my oils are all melted now, and also my distilled water is hot. I'll be checking the temperature. My oils is 165 Fahrenheit. And the water is 154. Set them aside to cool down. As I'm waiting for it to cool down, I'll be pouring in my water-soluble powders in a separate jug. Firstly, I'm adding in alpha ARBUTON 5 gram. Snow white powder 10 gram. LICORICE powder 10 gram. ALLANTON powder 10 gram. GIGA white powder 5 gram. And GLUTATHIONE powder 5 gram. I'll be mixing SEPI white powder 5 gram with oil in a separate jug because it's oil soluble. I'll be mixing it with carrot oil, then mix it. Now I'll be checking my water temperature. It's still in 126. It has to be around 100 to 110 before mixing. I cannot mix the active powders in a high heat because it will reduce the potency. Okay, now the temperature is around 102. I will share the water into 2 and mix the other half in my powders. Mix it well and set it aside. Now I will pour in my water into my oil and mix. Now I will pour in my SEPI white mixture inside and mix. adding in 5 ml of vitamin E oil and then mix. And vitamin C serum 5 ml and mix. Now I will be adding 1% of my essential oil and mix. Then lastly, my preservative, 1% of it, and then mix thoroughly. Now I'll be checking the pH level of my cream. It is 6.5. I have to bring it down. I'll be using citric acid to bring the pH level down. I will add a pinch of it and then mix. Now check again. Perfect. Now it's down to 4.8. It's fine on the skin. So I will store my cream in a jar, ready to use. So this is our extreme lightening cream. Use this cream morning and night. Gives you 2 to 3 shades lighter with a constant use. Please, it's advisable to exfoliate your skin alongside in using a cream to see instant visible results. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.